Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to delete applications from the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. So in order to do that, there are two methods to do this. So the first one is directly through your watch, activate your watch, find an application which you want to delete, for example one calculator as I have it, simply give it a long tap, press on the bin icon and confirm uninstalling the application. The second way to do this is through your Huawei Health application. So open up your Huawei Health, find your Devices tab right here, find your watch, scroll down to your app gallery, open up your manager, now find your installation manager. You've got your application, so simply choose the one you want to uninstall and press uninstall. Confirm your choice by pressing yes, and that's it. Now our application is uninstalled. Let's double check it on our watch. So as you see, it's just disappeared. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.